Hello and welcome to another video of Carrot AI. Today I'm going to show you how our Affinity agent helps our customers score and screen their incoming deal flow. So let's get onto it. So we're now inside the Affinity instance on the list Carrot AI agent, which is where the Affinity agent operates. The agent can read everything that is on that table, and if I introduce a new organization, the agent will automatically recognize it and start working on it. So let's do that. I enter a name and I'll let the agent do the work for us. Here we go. A few minutes later, the company has been processed and we see that all the fields have been completed. We have asked the agent to perform a score, which we will talk about later. But for the moment, we can see that we've also asked the agent to fill a number of data that we would like to know. In particular, we also ask the agent to establish whether the company is a consulting firm or not. That helps our customers save a lot of time. And the agent has established that the company is not a consulting firm, and it has done it with a high degree of confidence, which is also relevant to know that the agent is sure about the results. We can see employee count. And for example, in the case of the market model, we also ask the agent to establish the degree of confidence in which the company has been established to be a B2B business. And we have many more fields that we can talk about in another video. Now let's go into the notes of the company, which is where the information has been saved. And here we are in the notes of Synthesia. The agent has processed the information, has written all the requested data, and has also calculated the score based on two types of data. What we call mandatory fields, which is criteria that need to be fulfilled by the company in order to have a score different than 0. And the desirable fields, which simply add points to the score, but if they are not, the criteria are not fulfilled, the score doesn't go to 0. So in that case, we want the company to be non-consulting firm, not a biotech company, a B2B business with a funding less than 5 million, based in Europe, and with a website in English. The funding in the case of Synthesia is more than 5 million, so this goes to 0. This means that it would not be relevant for an investor that invests very early on, despite of the high quality of the company, of course. In the desirable fields, we see that the level of product tech complexity has been established to be a very high level, a 9, close to the maximum. We see that it's not in the climate tech sector, which is not a big problem because it's only a desirable field. And we see that is in one of the relevant industries that we've defined as our targets. In that case, we can go here and see the relevant industries. The agent has established that Synthesia is in enterprise software or software for enterprises and cloud computing. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Do not hesitate to reach out to us if you want to know more about the Affinity agent.